So let's try and concentrate on business for the next few moments before we get to Ore and his incredible win at the weekend. And let's talk about Barack Obama's final flourish as president. He's made quite a statement, hasn't he, on oil and gas drilling in federal waters in the Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Tell us about it.
Yeah, that's certainly what it's being seen as, a bit of a last-ditch effort by Obama to protect that particular area. So it refers to the vast majority of US-owned northern waters, which he has put indefinitely off limits to future leasing, basically meaning that companies aren't going to be able to explore the area for oil extraction. Trump had mooted the idea of more exploration and perhaps giving oil firms a freer rein. And that's obviously something that President Barack Obama wanted to put a stop to before Mr. Trump came into power. Steve Irwin is from Portland Fuels and Oil Trading Companies joining us this morning. Hi there, Steve.
Morning, Colette.
Is this simply a political decision, do you think?
I think it's partly political, but I think it's mainly driven through Obama's environmental policies, and he's wanting to protect these marine environments for future generations.
Does it mean there's going to be a lot more focus on fracking, though, the sort of onshore end of things?
Well, certainly this frees up resources that might have been spent exploring for oil in these areas to concentrate on fracking. However, companies were pulling out of our Arctic drilling already. In 2015, we saw Shell and Statoil pull out from the Bering Straits and the Chukchi Sea, which is the area west of Alaska. So these areas weren't high priorities for any oil companies at the moment.
Biggie for most people listening, what impact is this going to have on oil prices? Do you think it's likely to push up petrol prices at the end of the line?
I don't think it's going to have any effect, certainly in the short term. We certainly don't need to be stockpiling oil before Christmas. This may have an effect a long way down the line, but oil prices would have had to have recovered significantly before it would open up these areas for commercial exploration, because the low oil price just means that it's too expensive to extract oil viably in these areas.
Steve Irwin from Portland Fuels, thanks very much for joining us.